Morning guys, so mag-prepare na tayo ngayon kasi punta tayo sa 101 anniversary sa Philippine Arena, kaya let's go!
Hi! Hi, Huwag na kuya!
Pag free name, in-erase print ko lang to. Maan siya.
Hi guys! Wala na nakakulit pa.
Ben! Vlog ko guys. Take over tayo pa. Kaya ng Hillary Von Mendoza.
Atsuta na, akakulit. Sa tabi mo yung aray ko,
Guys. Guys. Sama ko ngayon yung vlogger na ano namin. Ka-IMC namin. Ako daw magte-take over. We're going to the Philippine Arena 111 anniversary concert. Guys, vlog ko guys. Ate Bea, vlog ko.
hello guys. A day in my life. As going on. Oh yeah. Yeah. So today.
We're going to the Philippine Arena.
Yeah, to watch
Watch the
some.
INC concert.
Yeah, and then
Say hello.
people are really sick because the dizziness in the bus, you know that?
What?
Yeah, it's good.
So today, OOTD check. Kanong yung bano?
Hey guys. I'm back. May natutulog. Kita-kits mamaya na guys.
Hi guys. It's so mapare. It's Sunday. Hi guys.
Hello!
So init.
Andito.
Masamig na ba mo?
Guys, kita pa rin.
Within the vicinity of the arena, guests can
arena, guys.
Tinakbo namin yung buong ano ba eh. Simula kami sa labas ng arena hanggang dito.